Hey everybody, CBQ here from Greenzie, back with another edition of How It Works, where I explain how our product works, diving into deeper detail to help you understand how to make the most out of autonomous mowing. Now today, we'll be talking about connectivity and data. And the reason it's important is that autonomous mowing software creates a lot of data, only some of which is stored and actionable by you and us. Now, robotic-ready mowers such as the Wright Autonomous Standard ZK, outfitted with Greenzie Autonomous Mowing, have a 4G connection. This connection is secure and encrypted through a VPN service that keeps it on a private, secure network at all times. You don't have to worry about the fees or worry about bandwidth or data. That's our job at Greenzie, and it's part of your one monthly fee for the software that includes it along with several other services. Now, autonomous mowing doesn't require a cellular connection, but the functionality is limited if it does not have a connection. For example, the mower won't get highly accurate GNSS correctional data for the centimeter level correctional service, so the mower might not be as accurate, especially when looking at maps once it has synced back up. We'll get to that in a second. It also won't allow you to see progress or customize any advanced functionality like set a new striping angle plan, and you won't be able to view the companion app interface for any alerts or errors. Now, assuming you do have connectivity and are in an area with coverage, what's transferred? Well, the software actually generates gigs and gigs of data. In fact, as of the writing of this video, the infrared and point cloud video feeds, as well as the AI ML cameras, are producing gigs of data per second. Yes, you heard me right, per second. Now, we don't need to sync all this data, but we've got enough of that back at our lab. So instead, from the field units, we sync up very tiny, small, compressed data files very regularly. These data files include the current status of the mower, the progress plan of what has already been mowed, so you can see the coverage and how it's doing, and a few other data files useful in determining what's happening at all times. These are very small, and we use something called rsync, which is an industry standard for efficient file transfers that's been used for decades. The mower also does a few other things worth mentioning with that data plan. The first is that it always asks for updates to the latest software when it turns on. It will actually download them behind the scenes, but not install them. And when you're done and the mower starts to shut down, it will install all the updates automatically. This is seamless and handled through software that's been updating web servers for decades called Debian or apt packaging. For more on that, check our other How It Works video. Now, it also updates in configuration files on boot. These can include certificate, configuration for settings, serial numbers for hardware, and other types of connectivity. Now, this connectivity also allows you to see where all your mowers with autonomous mowing are at all times on a map. You can see their latest jobs, their coverage, acreage data, replay jobs to see exactly how a mowing plan was executed by the software. Okay, that wraps us up. As always, let us know in the comments what you'd like to see us explain about how the product works. Thanks.